Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change phone number in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to change number in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. After opening your Viber app, guys, in order to proceed to change the number, we'll be required to tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen over here, guys, and we will land on this interface where you can see there is the settings option available for us just above my notes. Tap on settings, and over here tap on the account option at the top of the screen, and you can see, guys, the second last option where it says the change phone number. Tap on change phone number and tap on continue at the bottom of the screen, and over here it says the new phone number at the top of the screen, and the second option it says the new phone number and new device. Since we'll be only changing the phone number, we'll be tapping on the continue at the top of the screen. But if you want to change your number with a new device, then you can go through this option over here. Let's tap on continue at the new phone number at the top and tap on continue, and over here enter your country over here, whichever may it be, and after that, guys, enter your phone number over here which you want to change it on Viber, and tap on the continue button over here. And on the next step, guys, a verification code will be sent to you by Viber via SMS on your phone. Receive that message after you tap on continue. On the next step, you'll be required to enter your code over there on Viber, and with that being said, guys, after doing that, your number will be changed in Viber. And so, guys, this is how to change number in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.